everyone, I'm coming to you guys today super excited. So if you're new to my channel, I'm Trishawn. I'm the owner of Big Deal Hair Extensions. I sell other things as well, but let's get started. So if you have been following me, you know that I have an online beauty store. I sell raw hair extensions. I sell an edge tamer that's super amazing for your edges. It's enriched with castor oil and a lot of good natural things. So it's not drying out your edges. It's actually coating your edges and laying those edges down. It's amazing. So if you are in the market for some edge tamer, whether you have fine hair to 4C hair, check out our edge tamer, okay? Go to bigdealhairextensions.com and check that out. But that's really not why I came today. I came because I created a shirt for myself, which is the one that I'm wearing, and it got a really great response on Facebook and on Instagram. So I decided I'm going to actually add this shirt to our product line. So if you have been following me, I do have our branded custom t-shirts. So we do have our Big Deal Hair Extensions branded t-shirts that you can purchase at bigdealhairextensions.com. Super comfortable shirts. If you want to support us, buying a t-shirt is a great way to represent us. But this shirt here, I was just feeling like I want a shirt other than my branded t-shirt to really represent me. I'm feeling motivated. I'm grinding, I'm gritting. I need something that represents me. And so then I made this shirt and it says, "Get paid, young woman, get paid." And so I posted it, like I said, on Instagram and on Facebook, and it got such a good feedback. I actually sold some of these shirts. I actually did create them myself. So I pressed them myself and I was able to sell some shirts. And I'm like, I was just showing people a shirt that I made for myself. I didn't intend to start selling them, but I got such a good response that you can now buy these shirts on the Big Deal Hair Extensions website. So yes, get paid, young women, get paid. So for all of you young hustlers, all you women that's getting to it, grinding during this quarantine, this is the shirt for you. Like, it just, I don't know, it just speaks to my spirit. Like, I have tunnel vision right now. I have so much that I'm trying to do, and I'm feeling really good about this quarantine. I feel like so many great things come from being shut off and shut away. You see it in the Bible. And if you think about it, think about a caterpillar. You know, once it goes into that chrysalis or cocoon, once it comes out, it's never the same again. It goes through this transformation, and that's what I'm feeling right now. I'm feeling like this moment right here, right now. I feel like this is preparing me. I don't know about you guys, but I feel like God is working, God is moving, and this is the time to tune into Him and to tune into your passion, your gifts, whatever it is that you want to do. Tune into that, because I really believe in my heart that millionaires can be made from this quarantine. So do not sleep on you, okay? But I really love this t-shirt. I want you to get a better look at it. It actually matches my backdrop right here. That's cool. But I really think this shirt just speaks to the girl on the grind. So, ooh, I like that too. Girl on the grind. But anyway, if you are interested in this shirt, you can go to bigdealhairextensions.com in our t-shirt section and purchase this shirt. So again, I have on this unit, I had it on in the last video. This is a unit that I did create with our raw Indian hair extensions. I used the 18-inch closure and two full bundles of 18-inch raw Indian wavy. If you're interested, you can purchase those bundles on the site as well. But thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you really love this shirt. And yes, sis, if you like it, go ahead and cop it. It's super comfortable. This is not a trash tee, honey. This is a next level shirt. That's the brand of it. So it's good quality. You should get you one. So as always, I appreciate all the love. I appreciate you guys coming to listen to what I have to say. And I look forward to speaking to you guys and talking to you guys probably on Friday. Because if you haven't been following me, I just started my Freebie Fridays, where I'm going to be dropping business tips, freebies on Friday. So make sure that you tune in on Friday. So go ahead and subscribe and set your notifications so that you know on Friday that I'm coming with a freebie. All right, bye.